father right there, Mike.
Hmm?
Bigger.
Okay, Mike, you're getting all the
Look
snaps.
how thick.
Oh,
Yeah.
jeez. Oh, I can't get him.
Oh, that's the big boy, huh?
Oh, man.
Six of them. Wow.
I'm getting out.
Okay.
7 of them. 7.
Close your door. Try not to slam it.
Yeah, carefully. Just
Oh, wow. There's more.
8. We're up to 8. Wait, what if they charged us?
Oh, we're okay.
We're up to 7. I think we're quite used to people, huh?
Yeah.
Here comes another one. Oh my God, more, Mike. Mike,
Huh?
more of them coming to the left.
Okay.
2 more.
You can see them.
Look at the baby.
Where?
Right on the street.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, more. Gosh, we have the entire herd.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, that's not good. Incredible.
Oh my goodness. Stay right here, sweetie. Don't go any farther.
Little one's coming out right now. Baby.
Oh, they're sweet. They're a little timid, but they want to follow their family. Come on, go with the parents.
Oh.
Oh, aren't they cute? Yeah, they look like twins. They do. With new babies, huh?
The last one's got a collar on it. Look at it. Oh, there's another one.
Oh my goodness. Can you tell? Yeah, it's got a collar. Can you tell?
Oh, eating on glass.
Yeah, that's what they eat.
Oh, here comes another.
You know, those little babies too are quite new. You can tell by their where they walk. New babies. Hope you don't mind us holding you up here. We didn't know what to do.
No problem.
We couldn't drive our car
okay,
over.
honey.
No problem. I wonder how many were there altogether? Did you
I
count?
started.
It
I
looked
got
like
to
a
like
dozen.
about 11. So I'm
11,
11 or 12.
yeah.
I think I counted at least 11.
And three young ones. Right?
Yeah. At least 3 babies.
I just said, gosh, we haven't seen.
Here they go. The whole family.
You can zoom if you want. I'm not getting a good picture. It's not much light.
My goodness. Yeah, that must have been at least 12.
Yeah. Okay. Pretty cool.